We recite Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Do you can build the small sentence according to the first person, second person and third person? Okay, try. Small one. Enough. Subject, object and verb. Okay, try. First of all, according to the third person. Please build a small sentence according to third person. Third person. So passati. Object. So raving passati. Okay. Okay, one more. Any kind of nouns you can add to the subject and object and only verb. Okay, try. Sorry. Te odanang pachanti. Te odanang pachanti. No, I ask only third person. Ahang meaning first person. You meaning second person. First person meaning I and we. Second person you and you. Third person other all. So they other all nouns you can say. Bhikkhu, Muni, Yati, Sarati, Adipati, all are in the under the third person, no? Te sunanti. Te dhammang sunanti. Te dhammang sunanti. Te dhammang sunanti. So kuccing paharati. So kuccing paharati. Adipati gamang gacchati. Yati dhamman dese. Many. Uncountable sentence we can build. All are according to third person. Okay? Okay, according to second person, try second person. Twang and tumhi. Twan meaning singular noun, plural tumhe. Twang dhammang passasi. Twang dhammang passasi. Twang dhammang desesi. Twang aharang desi. Twang aharam bunjasi. Many. Understand? Twang aharam bunjasi meaning you eat the rice. Twang aharam bunjasi. Twang meaning you, aharam meaning food, bunjasi meaning eat. You eat the rice or food. Twang gamang gacchasi. You go to the village. Twang giring gacchasi. Girina? Giring. Girina. Okay. Agacchasi. Okay. You come from mountain. Okay, first person. Ahang and mayan. I and we. Ahang dhammang desemi. Ahang dhammang desemi. Mayam Pali Bhasang Ugganhama. We are learning Pali language. Mayang Pali Bhasang Ugganhama. Please write down. Mayang Pali Bhasang Ugganhama. We learn the Pali language. We learn. Mayang Pali Bhasang. Mayang Pali Bhasang. Mayang Pali Bhasang. Okay. Mayang Pali Bhasan Ugganhama. Ugganhama means learn. Mayang Pali Bhasang Ugganhama. Okay. Okay, now I am going to teach our next lesson now. Lesson 7. Conjugation of verbs. Past tense active voice. Very good lesson. Please pay attention and be be patient. Okay. Base ending with a pacha. To cook. according third person singular there are 4 verbs, plural also 4. Okay, usually pacha, the ending short become pachi. This is pacha ending a. Okay, now according to the present tense, we use pachati, pachanti. What is this? The meaning? Third person singular present tense. We have to join. Sorry, no need to cut. Become pachati. Okay, plural this is a present tense. Now same way I am going to explain about past tense. E, E, E. 2 vowels. 2 vowels cannot join. First vowels must delete. Become pachi. Okay? 1. Understand? Second one, E, alone. Pachi. Okay, another one, you know suffix and prefix. What is the meaning? Suffix meaning behind the beginning, behind beginning one, prefix. Okay, now we have to add prefix a. Prefix a become okay, understand? Now see, this is a This is pachi, pachi. Pachi. You see in the here, they have pachi, pachi. Okay. Another to have apache, apache, apache. At that time, we have to add a in front of the pacha. Become apache, apache. Understand? This is a suffix. This is a prefix. Okay? Please write down clearly, but you don't, this is the shortcut. I use the shortcut. You have to write one by one. Yeah, to understand. Yeah. But all are same meaning. Same meaning. Cook. Yeah, all can use one of the word. Cooked. Huh? Same meaning. Is same meaning. In the one singular, no? He cooked. Some, not everywhere, no? Huh? Not everywhere. Yeah, here. No. According to the base ending with a. Okay? Okay, now how to buy hard? Very easy way. This is a four verbs. Four words in the singular. Apache, pachi, apache, pachi. Write down. Apache, pachi. The short. Apache, pachi. Apache, pachi. Okay, write down. Apache, pachi, apache, pachi. Different. Only the pronunciation different, but meaning same. Only different the pronunciation. The meaning are same. Apache, pachi, apache, pachi. Okay? Apache, pachi, apache, pachi. Okay? Understand? Understand everybody? Okay. Now, no understand? Please help to. Okay, please explain. Okay? Huh? Because after we read some book, some Pali sentence, we can some place they have the some place no. But usually the common word pachi and pachi. The common is pachi. But other one not common, not everywhere. Very rare to find. But special word pachi. 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 Okay? Pachi? Pachi. Okay. Next one. The plural. Pacha. Suffix. Imsu. Huh? Yeah. Because of two vowels. First vowels must cancel, delete. Pachingsu. Pacha plus ingsu become pachingsu. Okay. Second one, you have to add prefix a, become apachinsu, become apachinsu. First one pachinsu, second one apachinsu. The same meaning, cooked, but only the subject different. Okay. Next one, This is a suffix Because of two vowels, first one must cancel, become pachung. Become pachung. After prefix a become upper chung with the a, upper chung. Okay, understand? Pachinsu, apachinsu. Pachung, apachung. Okay? Apachinsu, pachinsu. Apachung, pachung. Very easy to by heart. Apachinsu, pachunsu, apachung, pachung. Okay, write down. Apachinsu, pachinsu. Apachinsu, pachinsu. Apachung, pachung. Okay? Apachinsu, apachinsu, pachinsu. Apachung, pachung. Apachi, pachi, apachi, pachi. Apachinsu, pachinsu. Apachung, pachung. Huh? Pachinsu and pachung. Okay, already the meaning are same. This is so apachi, he cooked. So pachi, he cooked. So apachi, he cooked. So pachi, he cooked. Te apachingsu, they cooked. Te pachingsu, they cooked. Te apachung, te pachung. Understand? Take time, but can understand. Okay, I can go next one. Second person. Twang apacho pacho, tumhe apachit pachit. Now you see in the equal red color, no? Red color, this is a suffix and prefix. You can understand clearly? I no need write down, no? In the board. Pacha plus O. Because of two vowels, we cannot join two. Time first vowels must cancel or erase. Then become pacho, apacho, singular. Tuang pacho, tuang apacho. He cook. No, you cooked. Tuang apacho pacho. Tumhe pacha itta. Itta meaning itta. Suffix itta. Pacha plus itta. After delete. Pachitta. Apachitta. Pachitta. Apachitta. Okay. Understand? Twang apacho pacho. You cooked, singular. Tumhe apachitta pachitta. You cook. This is plural. Now first person. Ahang apaching paching. You see the red color? Ing. Become paching. Become apaching. Ing. Pacha ing paching. Pacha ing paching. Okay, plural mayang. Imh and imha, two suffix. Imh and imha. Pacha imh, pachimh. Pacha imha, pachimha. Imh, imha. Mayang, apachimh, pachimh. Apachimha, pachimha. Okay. Okay, please recite. Apachi, pachi, apachi, pachi. Apachingsu, pachingsu, apachung, pachung. Apacho, pacho. Apachitha, pachitha. Apaching, paching. Apachimha, pachimha. Apachimha, pachimha. One more time. Okay, good. Okay, base ending with a, alone. Okay, please check your book, page number 16 now. Okay, they have following the similar verbs: gachi, ganhi, dadi, khadi, hari, kari, ahari, dhavi, kini, vikini, nisidi, sai, aruhi, achari. All are same pacha ending a, pacha. Okay, now this one also check. All are same. Asuni, suni. Asuni, suni. Asunimsu, suningsu. Asunung, sunu. But suni, suningsu, sunung, the common words. Common. The according Hindi also, suno. The similar words, Hindi also. त्वं असुनो सुनो असुनित सुनित all are same like pacha. Okay, no any different na, same pacha, but the special thing you have to think suni and suninsu. It is a common suni suninsu, suni suninsu, suno sunit, suning sunimha or sunimha. Sometimes sunung also very common. This is a common words. So dhammang suni, he listen the doctrine. Te dhammang suningsu, they heard the dhamma. Okay, you mean long short? Ah, yes, same. Yes, same. The same rule, same rule. Ending a and ending a. Yes, okay, correct. Okay. Okay. You try to by heart Suni Suninsu, Suno Sunit, Suning Sunimha Sunimha. Okay, this is a common. Okay, next one. A and I. Verb of the seven conjugation group can have two verbal force. Okay. Now remember Pale, Palaya. We already practiced, no? Paleti, Palenti, Palesi, Paleta, Palemi, Paleme. Palayati, Palayanti, Palayasi, Palayata, Palayami, Palayama. This is present tense. We already practiced. Check your book. 12. Page number 12. Ending A. Pale, Paleti, Palenti, Palesi, Paleta, Palemi, Paleme. Palaya, Palayati, Palayanti, Palayasi, Palayata, Palayami, Palayam. Okay. Now this Pala, now we are going to study according to the past tense. How to check? Okay, see your book, page number 16. Account third person, they have two words. Okay, Palesi and Palai. No, I said in the book, page number 16. The 19 paragraph number 19. Palesi, Palai. Because now Tapesi. Okay, Tapesi, Tapa E. Also can. Why we not add to here? Because like Pachi. Okay, I will explain. According to the book, according to your textbook, they have Pale and Palaya, two. According to the Pale, other one Palaya. Same meaning. What is the Palaya mean? Protect or govern. To govern or protect. Okay, Palaya. Now, according to the present tense, remember we add only ti, paleti. According to the present tense, palaya, palayati. Remember? Okay. Now, this is a present tense. Now, past tense. So, Pale, si. This is a suffix. This is a present tense suffix. It's a past tense suffix. Okay, understand? According to the Pali, A, ending A. We can join Palesi. Very easy. Okay? This is Palesi. Okay? Palesi. Why? Okay? This is a Pale. Now see, here also. Pale ti become Pale ti in the present tense. In the past tense, Pale plus si. Pale si. Okay? Okay, please write down clearly this one. This is present tense, this one past tense. Past tense. Okay? Paleti, palesi. According to the Pali, okay? Next one, palayati. This is a suffix ti in the present tense. Palaya plus ti become palayati. Okay? In the past tense, palaya plus e, like pachi. Only e, suffix e. E, no, remember? Pacha plus e become pachi. Same, only e. Because of two vowels, we cannot join together the same place. First one must delete, become pala e. That's why this one we not put here, because same before pachi, no? Okay? Pala e. Now understand? Same pachi, pacha, same pacha, because ending a, no? Pacha also ending a, ending a. Pacha also ending a, pal is ending a. Like mathematics, no? Huh? That's why the Pali language is the main language in the world, the first language in the world. No complicated, no? It is the, actually we are very much like to study, because so many things we have to think, we have to add. Very nice, very beautiful. After finish, I'm very happy also. Yeah. No complicated. Don't think but complicated. It is very nice language. Understand now? Huh? Paleti in the present tense, pales in the past tense. Palayati in the present tense, palai in the past tense. But same meaning. Palesi and palai, same meaning. Same meaning. Protect. Why? Cannot join? No, first, this is a today first time, no? Cannot. Yeah, you have to do every day, check. You have to practice.
And the, if you always see the ending
almost like this. Yeah, ending like this. After study, you can find the way. You can mark by yourself. Uh, you can understand by your life. You can understand. Okay, understand? Okay, everybody okay? Okay, now I am going to next one. This is singular, yeah? Now I am going to plural. Okay. Present tense palenti palenti. Okay. Present tense plural, palenti. Same way past tense pale sung. Sung the suffix. Okay. This is a plural of the third person. In the present tense we use palenti. Same way in the past tense palesung. The sung meaning suffix. Okay. Next one palaya. Palaya palaya ingsu. Palaya and palaya ingsu. Palaya and palaya ingsu. Become palayung. Palayung, palayingsu. This is a plural of the past tense of palaya. This is a past tense, third person plural of the third person. Palayung, palayingsu. Okay, understand? This is a palesi, palai, the singular. Plural, palesung, palayung, palayingsu. Palayingsu. Okay. Understand, everybody? Okay, now next one. Second person. Check in the book. Check palayo. Now remember, according to pacha o pacho, palaya o palayo. Second person in the singular of the second person, palaya plus o, palayo. Palaya plus o become palayo. Palayo. Okay, understand? Palaya plus o, palayo. Only one word. Next one, the plural of the second person, palaya plus itta. Same pachitta, same pacha. Palaya plus itta, pala itta, pala itta. Palaya plus itta, palaya plus itta, pala itta. Please take the book. In the book of office, take. Please take the book. Palaya plus itta, pala itta. Same. Pacha plus itta, pachitta. The plural of the second person. Pachitta. Pacha plus itta, pachitta. Same way. Palaya plus itta, pala itta. Okay. Palaya plus itta, pala itta. Pala itta. Okay, this is a plural of the second person. Okay, understand? Okay, now I am going in the first person. In the first person of the past tense, pale and palaya. Two verbs have pale and palaya. Pale and palaya. There are two suffix sing and ing. Pale, because of pale, sing. Because of palaya, ing. Remember? Paching. Paching. Remember paching? Paching. Same way. Same. Pacha ing, paching. Palaya ing, palaying. Because ending a. Ending a. Palaya ing, palaying. Pacha ing, patching. Okay, same patching, same parlaying. Little different because of parlay, ending A. Parlay sing, parlay sing. Parlay sing. Okay. Yes, past tense. In the first person, na? Okay, understand? Parlay sing, parlay sing. Parlaying, parlaying. Okay, the plural according to this book I follow first, later I will divide. Book say in the first person pala imha, pala imha, imha and imha, two suffix, they take only palaya. Okay, palaya imha, pala imha, palaya imha, pala imha. Can I borrow the one pen and paper and the paper and pen, one pen with the paper? Okay? Okay? Okay. Now, just now I explained according to the book. Okay? Now I am going to divide into Pali and Palaya. Okay? To understand. Because that book not divide clearly. Okay? Now I am going to divide to make clear. Okay? Just now I write down, then you can understand. No need to the more detail. Huh? Okay? Palesi, Palesingsu, Palesung, Paleso, Palesittha, Palesing, Palesimha, Palesimha. Okay? Understand? Palesimha. This is according to the Pale. The present tense Paleti, Palenti, Palesi, Paleta, Palemi, Palema. According to past tense Palesi, Palesinsu, Palesum, Paleso, Palesit, Palesung, Palesing, Palesimha, Palesimha. Okay? Next one Palaya. Okay. Palayi, palayingsu, palayung. Palayo, palayit. Palaying, palayimha, palayimha. Now understand? Now you can see. Please see the. Now the base ending with a, the to keep tape, only tape, not the tapaya. Only we take tape. See, tape si, tape singsu, tape sung, tape so, tape sit, tape sing, tape simha, tape simha. Okay, same palesi. Now no need write down. Now all same. Okay, next one. Huh? Sorry. Okay, same way. Now a. You see. Pujesi, puje singsu, puje sung. Puje so, puje sitta, puje sing, puje simha, puje simha. Same. Okay, like pale, tape, puje. All same. Understand, no? Now on aya. Now aya coming. Now tapa i, tapa ingsu, tapa yung. Tapa yo, tapa it. Tapa ying, tapa imha, tapa imha. Now understand? Now palaya, like palaya, no? Next one. Okay, they explain. Now I already explained everything, no? Now like pachi, no? Pachi anusasi, same, no? Pachi anusasi. Suna, remember? Anusasi. Anusasati, the singular present tense. Anusasati, anusasanti, anusasasi, anusasata, anusasami, anusasama. Okay? Anusasi, anusasi, anusasi. Anusasingsu, anusasung. Anusaso, anusasit. Anusasing, anusasimha, anusasimha. Okay? Now ahari. Ahari, ahari. Aharingsu, aharung. Aharo, aharit. Aharing, aharimha, aharimha. Ahara, ending a. We already explained already studied the root of the grammar. Okay, ending a, ending a, ending a, and aya. Palaya, no, aya. Already studied. Now ichi, ichi. Ichinsu, ichung. Icho, ichit. Iching, ichim, ichimha. The one thing, okay. Now next one, uttahi, 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 uttahi. Uttahinsu, uttahung. Uttaho, uttahit, uttahing, uttahim, uttahimha. Same. We already studied. Only just you add the verb. Oruhi, oruhi. Oruhingsu, oruhung. Oruho, oruhit, oruhing, oruhim, oruhimha. Now, this is summary. E not for I. You see? So E not for I. O E. E and E not for I. Not the I. This meaning palaya. Not this one palaya, no? Palaya. But this E and E for the pachi, pale, like this. Pale. Okay. Insu, O, itta. Imha, imha. Next one. And with ending a, time we use can. But this E not only for I. This one E palaya, palai. Understand, no? Can understand? This is shortcut, short summary. Suffix summary. This ending a, ending I. Okay. A time we have to use E and E, both we can use. Okay. Now according to I time, I only we can use E only. Cannot learn the lone E. Ingsu, it. And base ending with A. Si, singsu, sung. So, sit, sing, simha, simha. Okay. You can download from internet. You can check. Write down. Now, please read, please recite. Anusasi, anusa. Good. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Recite. Tape sing su. He cooked rice. Okay, please. Now already 9 o'clock. Can? Okay, write down. So cooked. He cooked rice. So odanang pachi o pachi. Okay. Next one. Please read English. Bhopati dhammang suni o suni. Next one. The householder brought the stick. Gahapati yatting ahari or ahari. The monkey climbed down from the bo tree. Kapi bodhimha oru he. Climbed up meaning aruhi. It's climb down. Try it is good lesson, the past tense. It's very important, no? Okay, next, he kept the gem in his hand, so panimhi maning tapa e. Thapaya. The poet kept the stick in the mountain. Kavi Giris Kirisming yatting tapesi. Tape. The general offered the rice to the monk. Senapati Munissa Odanam Pujesi. Now we recite the everyday Pujemi Buddhang Kusumena Nena. Pujemi Buddhang Kusumena Nena. The Kusumena Nena means Sandhi word. Kusumena Anena. Anena meaning by this meaning. But later we can study this meaning. Now don't have subject, but have verb pujemi. This meaning ahang. Already, but don't have in the sentence, but we have to add. Ahang anena kusumena buddhang pujemi. Pujemi buddhang kusumena nena meaning ahang Anena kusumena buddhang pujemi. Aham I. Anena kusumena, by this flower. With this flower, this flower, by this flower, buddhang, to the Buddha, pujemi, offer. I offer the flower. Understand? No? According to the Pali poem, pujemi buddhang kusumena, for the singing. But if you want to understand the meaning, you have to make the sentence. Punyena metena labhami mokkhaṃ. Punyena etena. Because of this merit. Punyena etena. Because of this merit, labhami mokkhaṃ. Aham mokkhaṃ. Mokkha meaning nibbana. Labhami, get. Because of this merit, I can get the nibbana. Understand? Now you can, little bit can understand meaning. No? Pujemi buddhang kusumena nena punyena metena labhami mokkhaṃ. Punyena etena. Because of this merit, I can get nibbana. Mokkha meaning nibbana. Okay? Next one. Puppang milayati. Milayati means become die. How to say English? Flowers after few days, victor. Puppang milayati. Flower, withered. Yatha puppang milayati. Yatha idam me. However, flower withered. Idang me meaning my idang kayang, this body, this body, kayang, kayo tatayati vinasa bhava, same way going to destroy. Now this flower I can offer to Buddha. Because of this merit, I can get nibbana. After few hours, so after 1 day or 2 days, flower become withered. This way, same way, my body also getting destroyed. Very good meaning, no? Later, not hurry. Still in the kindergarten, okay? Don't worry. After study now you know the present tense, past tense, future tense, and future tense coming soon. Future tense, very easy. Future tense very easy. Don't worry. Future tense, and if you know the nouns, and if you know the pronouns, very easy to build the sentence and very easy to understand. It is important, na? Okay. I think this all are same. Please, you can read first. Read. Please recite. English, Pali. Te odanang pacho. Next one. Panisu. Okay. Now second person, first person same, only the different nouns. You can check in the website also can. Anyway, page number 17. They have very good exercise. Exercise number 6. Please try to do. Page 17. Page 17. Yes, okay. But anyway, I will explain next time. Try. It is good experience, good practice. It's good practice. Example of say, Munayo manchesu nisidingsu. Munayo, the monks, plural. Nisidingsu, set, no? Set, because sit meaning present tense. The past tense, set. Manchesu meaning on the beds. The monks sat on the beds. Very easy. Okay, try. Okay, sadhu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Sadhu. Sukhi hotu nibbana paccayo.